Hello friends, running kimono here. Oh my gosh, we have a midweek haul that includes Walgreens, Dollar General, and Family Dollar, and we'll talk about Family Dollar at the very end. Lots of wonderful paper deals, including 25-cent Vanity Fair napkins. Even if you're a diehard pharmacy shopper, I would try and be on the lookout for these because it's such a wonderful deal. Now, just to show you from my front window this morning, my husband was doing the snow, and it has been a friggin' hard couple of days. It's like really hard winter, like if you're living in northern Saskatchewan in the 80s. It's been snowing, it's been really cold, and it's been like a tough week. So if you have been missing out on a lot of deals at the Dollar General or other stores where stuff has been like run, go, don't worry, because I don't think a lot of people are driving in this, and that deals always come back. And even myself driving in this really bad weather for the last 2 days, I've tapped out. And even for me, like to miss the third day of the Dollar General quarter, tapping out because it's too much. So the first store that I have is Walgreens, and I have my booster loaded. I jogged through this deal yesterday, and I have to go and pick it up today. What I basically did is to a cart, I added 5 paper towels and 5 toilet papers, really trying to stock up specifically on paper, because if these tariff things actually come to fruition with Canada, pulp is a huge ingredient in all paper products, and I have the feeling that if the prices rise, it's going to go to the customer. Canada's not going to pay for it. It's going to cost us. And if I'm wrong, I'm wrong, but I'd rather have 10 of these in my stockpile. So that's my rationale. If you're like, why is she buying all this stuff? That is why. So I threw 5 of each into a basket. Total for that is $37.50 on a buy one get one 50% off. Now, I didn't have extra digital coupons to go with this because I used them the week previous, but Swagbucks has 100 points back for each, which is roughly about $2. To show you guys, I used the discount code pickup15 for an extra $5.65 off, so not too shabby on that. Overall total here is $37.50. $5.65 melting off. So I'm still at my $30 threshold for that booster of spend 30, get back 7. Free curbside pickup tax. So with my debit card, I paid $33.76 and I got back $7 in Walgreens cash. Photograph that receipt to Swagbucks for an extra $2 back for me. Not a bad little deal to get these on the cheap. And I really wanted to stock up on paper products this January. And I've really been, putting my foot on the gas for this. And if I'm wrong, I'm wrong. But I'd rather have, at least 10 of these that if a family member needs a little bit of paper, I'm there to help out. And this is what a lot of us couponers do. We prep and stockpile paper when it's a really good deal. Store that we have is the Dollar General, and all week leading right till the 27th, which is next Monday, remaining Christmas merchandise is 25 cents. And there's a lot of stuff that's part of it that you wouldn't think. And I'm going to show you a couple exactly where I found them in the store and how to have the most amount of success, along with providing you guys the UPCs. So on Tuesday, I made a video of all of my just regular schmegular finds. If you wish to watch the video, I will link it also at the very end. But the more that you get a really good eye on what is on clearance, you can really walk in the store and just pick up your stuff in and out that easy if you know what you're looking for. These 100 count Vanity Fair napkins, and this is the Georgia Pacific company that makes Quilted Northern. I had no idea, but it's part of them. This is 25 cents, and sorry, the video is so dusty. And I'm going to show you exactly where to track these down in the store because they're not just like a regular paper product, which is really odd. You will find it where they have like the solo cups and the little like disposable paper plates near the trash bags. That is one place you might find them. And see where my finger is pointing? That's where you would probably look. They have a 150 counter, which is not part of it. It's the 100 count. You can also look in the clearance section as well. I know that they were putting in some stores these in the clearance section, which is odd. Now, with the Super Bowl right around the corner, they have a section near Valentine's Day with a lot of paper plates, Oreo cookies, and guess what? Our little friends are at the top as well. And it's just like if you were in a pinch and you just wanted a bunch of stuff very convenient, like paper towels, plates for your guests. They try to market it where you just grab whatever, so you can look there as well. And when you're grabbing these, be very intentional that you look at the packaging, because the sides of them, because they are so plush, I noticed some of them would pop open, and I think it's gross to, like, you're going to wipe your mouth with this, and like everybody in the store and your town was touching them. Like, I could not buy this. It just I mean, if I was using it to clean after my pets, yeah, no problem, but like to use it for to put it on our table and eat, I couldn't do it. But I noticed a couple of them split open, so just be careful. And this is exactly what it looks like. 100 Vanity Fair every day. And here is the UPC. And there's a lady on Instagram. Her name is Yes2Deals. I'm pretty sure a lot of you must follow her. She always has really great Dollar General and a lot of pop shelf stuff. But exactly as spelled, Yes2Deals. And she actually sent me a message about this on Tuesday, but yesterday was the first day I could go. Some tremendous savings, guys. I took the liberties of looking at Meijer at the top at $3.05 for the exact same pack of napkins, and the bottom is Walmart for $2.88, and you're paying 25 cents at the Dollar General. I would definitely look for these. They're going to get cleared very quickly if your store carries them, and not every store carries them. So you have the UPC, open up the app, scan that barcode, and try and figure it out, because this is a fire deal to pay 25 cents for napkins. Moving it along, we have the Old Spice double packs. We have Captain and Fiji. I found these specifically in the deodorant aisle, and they're just getting put back there because it's a weird shaped item. And here is the UPC. So definitely be on the lookout for those. On Tuesday, what happened to me was other couponers were in the store like a minute before me, and they cleared all of the Ghirardelli and all of the fancier candies. So I didn't get any pretty much on Tuesday. I think I got one bag. And so today I went with a lot of intention and just looked. A lot of this has like garland and holly in it, so that's how you know it's the holiday ones. And I think I found like 10 between Ghirardelli and Lindt. But I didn't give up, and they beat me to the store. Snooze, you lose. And being like a minute late, that happened to me. But this was my little haul. A lot of this doesn't expire till like July or October, so a lot of this I can gift later to people, and that's what I plan on doing. But there were tons of other shoppers who scored big, and it was in their carts, and I missed it by probably like 2 minutes because I was looking for something else. So those are the breaks. This bag of Hershey's miniatures, it doesn't expire till like October. Look at the bottom, but here's the UPC. I plan on giving a lot of this also to my mother-in-law. She has a lot of grandchildren over, and I thought this would be a really nice treat. Even this peppermint crunch, just throw it in a cup of coffee. It seems quite glorious. All of the candy will be given away. We don't eat that at our house because I'm a type 2, and I mention that in every video, but sometimes these little treats, people really like it. The cutest little penguin slipper socks for $5 for a size 4 to 10. And I'm a size 9 lady, so I barely can fit into these. I might gift them next year for Christmas, but 25 cents is a fantastic price point. One item I was looking for are these little joke books, and they're part of the stocking stuffer. And I wanted it for my husband, and I finally tracked one down, and he's already reading it. And Sparkling Pear, the only scent care item I found. They're really impossible to find because most people cleared them on Tuesday, but I was able to find one in the regular air care aisle. Be on the lookout and watch yesterday's video. I will link at the very end. One store I really don't frequent a lot, and because I just don't have one close to me, is Family Dollar. And I noticed in the app these Glade sprays were 97 cents each, and I asked the lady to do a price check. She's like, no problem. Very nice lady at the store too, so that always helps. And I noticed that we had a $1.50 coupon, and they tend to mirror IBOTTA, so whatever the limits for IBOTTA are, it's the same at Family Dollar. And this was $1.50 off for... It might look for one, but it's actually off of 5. So I grabbed 4 of them, and just to show you the receipt, for 2, I was getting like $1.50-ish off, and it would calibrate the coupon to that. So I ended up having to pay 88 cents for the 4 or 23 cents per. It's not fantastic or spectacular, but if you can't track down any of that air care and you like the Glade line, by all means, this isn't a bad deal, but it's not spectacular deal. So I was just kind of like, ugh. But the lady who helped me was so nice that I just ponied over that $1.11 or whatever, but it's weird. I can never really figure out how things work over at the Family Dollar, but just more I tried to make it happen. I tested it out and I didn't have a lot of luck. That's it for this video. And if you want to watch my haul from Tuesday, where I got a lot of stuff at Dollar General, watch the video linked right here. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.